Hi, I'm Vincent. I'm making red, white, and blue jello for 4th of July.
Pour out your jello mix. Add 1 cup of hot water. Mix till it dissolves. Pour into a rectangular dish.
Put these in a refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours.
Pour out clear gelatin. Pour out 1 cup of hot water. Stir till it dissolves. Add 1 can of condensed milk. Stir well. Cut jello into small squares. Add them into a new dish. Cut the blue squares and add them as well. Once at room temperature, pour the condensed milk over the jello.
My jello is ready. Let's cut our squares. These turned out wonderful. Taste test. Dig in. Yeah. It's so sweet and good. And kind of jiggly. Subscribe to our channel. Bye.